Good morning, school, and welcome to week 4 school video assembly. It is so good to be back at school after last week's level 3 lockdown, and it's so amazing to see everyone's smiling faces around our school. My name is Sanjay, and
I am Benny, and we are just two of your wonderful leaders for 2021. We have a short and sweet assembly today with some important notices. Let's start with our school karakia. Please close our eyes and bow our heads. E te ariki, naku te mātou, no mātou whānau, mō tēnei rā. I promise that today I'll do my best, encourage others and never give up. I promise that I'll never give up on myself, my learning, and our life. I promise this with all my heart. Amen.
please stand up with pride and sing our national anthem. Please be seated.
Vice Steph has been busy doing great things for us. Let's see if she has some important notices for us.
Atamari e tauira mā kai mahi mā, no mai haere mai ki te wiki whā. Welcome everyone to week 4 of this beautiful 2021. Hopefully everyone is now back after our lockdown and all in a great space to keep going with their learning. Remember to keep coming to school every day unless you are sick. The front gates at Yates Road open at 8 o'clock and they close again at 3:15 in the afternoon. At the moment you can help us help your parents by showing them the newsletter that has the Hero app information in it and showing them how to scan the QR code so that they can message us and they can keep up with your learning. The newsletter also has this advert in it that just lets your parents know that the picnic has been cancelled. We won't be rescheduling that, but next week on Tuesday they can make an appointment to come and meet with you and your teacher to find out more about Hero and your learning goals for this term. Hopefully you remember from my mihi at the Pōwhiri about the word encourage or encouragement, that we are going to encourage you to challenge yourselves in your learning, and you need the courage to try harder work, make sure that the work isn't too easy for you. And an example of that might be when you're logging into Reading Eggs. If Reading Eggs is too easy, make sure you are going to Reading Express. As you can see by some of these photos, that when you learn to ride a bike or when you're learning to swim, They're all, types of activities that sometimes it can make us a bit worried and not have the confidence that we can do it. But actually we do know that we can, and that, you just have to try and keep practicing, and then you will get there. And then you look to your friends and the adults around you for help as you need it. So I hope you all have a wonderful week. Kia maya, kia kaha. Have that courage and enjoy your learning and enjoy being with your classmates and your teacher.
Good morning, school. My name is Celiana, and I will be sharing our sports matters for this week. Our Year 5 and 6 boys and girls cricket teams will have their practice sessions during the morning tea breaks and the lunch breaks every day next week. The boys team during the lunch break and the girls team during the morning break. On Wednesday and Friday during lunchtime, the student leaders will be hosting a friendly game of touch for Year 5, 6, 7, 8, maximum of 8 people per team. So get your teams together and come and join it. We will have reminders over the intercom during the week. Once you have your team, make sure you come to the field nice and early. First in, first chance. There might also be a prize for the winning team of the week.
名字是杨坤煌，我今天8岁。我的妈妈名字是红红，我爸爸名字是杨成南，我还有个妹妹叫杨景慧。我来这里的时候我是6岁，有时候我会打给我奶奶爷爷。我从中国来的，我很想他们。我的学校的名字是 Mangrove Primary School。我今天4年级，我在那个25班那里。我的老师是 Mr. Dean。我喜欢我同学还有我的学校。祝大家新年快乐！谢谢。谢谢。
In English? Can you read it in English?
Hello, my name is Kunwan. I'm 8 years old. My mom's name is Hong Hong. My dad's name is Yang Tenan. I had one sister. His name is Yang Wang. I came to New Zealand when I was 6 years old. I am from China. I'm speaking to my grandma and grandpa on the phone. I miss them so much. My school is Mangrove Primary School. I'm in Year 4 in room 25. My teacher's name is Mr. Dean. I like my school and I like my friends. I wish you all happy Chinese New Year. Thank you.
Tyler for Lava School. I am Lillian and I will be sharing some notices about our environment. Each class should have 3 separate bins. We have our food scrap bin, our paper and cardboard bin, and our landfill bin. Each bin is labelled so we know what should and should not go into these bins.
There should be fruit, compostable coffee cups, tea bags, coffee grounds, vegetables, and please no meat or dairy products. In the paper bin, there'll be flat paper, newspapers, paper towels, flat cardboard, no drinking cartons, no paper cups. In the rubbish bin, there should be food wrap, coffee cups, plastic takeaway containers, food packaging, coated cartons, meat or dairy products, all in the rubbish bin. At school, it is important to remember to keep looking after our environment. The student leaders are learning about how we can reduce our waste at school and keep our school clean and beautiful. The student leaders will be coming at the end of lunch eating every day to empty your food scraps bin.
Teachers, can we please make sure this is placed outside of your classroom after lunch eating time so it is easier for us to get? This week, challenge yourself and your class to keep our landfill rubbish bin as empty as possible. Let's all reduce and recycle and make a positive change.
Practice saying these words out loud. Kia ora.
Kia ora. Katoa. Katoa. Fire.
Fire. Mangere.
Mangere. Hangi.
Hangi.
Oroha.
Aloha. Ngenge.
Ngenge.
Māori.
Maori.
Let's say them again. Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Katoa.
Katoa. Fire.
Fire. Mangere.
Mangere.
Hangi.
Hangi. Aloha.
Aloha. Ngenge.
Ngenge.
Māori.
Light work. For school, let's all work together and continue doing the right thing. We have a very exciting week of learning fun ahead. Let's keep being amazing and making good choices.
Remember to be kind, be brave, be creative, be thankful, be happy, and be you. Have a great week of learning and be awesome.